Adding a simple PDF to your app can be done very easily. Keep in mind the file should be a simple one, like a chart or a graph. Don't use this to share documents with a lot of text. Here's an example. First, click the Add Screen button, find the PDF template, and drag it into the workspace. Once the template is open, click the open white space labeled Click here to view properties to open the editor. A PDF can be uploaded from either a website or a computer. Here we'll use one from a computer. Name and save the screen, then check out how it will look. When you preview the screen, the PDF file should be visible. Remember, use files that don't have too much detail. The information should be easy to view without the end user having to scroll or enlarge the screen.